Jeff here. Today is February 14th, 2014, Valentine's Day. Almost a year ago, I shot a video called Blizzard 2013 Aftermath, and I drove around looking at the city. So, without further delay, here we go again. The Big Dig. I think we got about 8 inches overnight and about 12 or more during the day yesterday, Thursday. So it's quite a bit of snow on the ground. And I haven't seen this much snow in a long time. Roads are actually not too bad. I am on my way to Fulton Court to pick up my prescription glasses because I am going blind rapidly. I'm in the city of Poughkeepsie right now. I took the day off of work. I'm glad I did because, well, just because. It's like a funeral. Yep, definitely a funeral. Oh, Jesus. Look at that snowblower. Good God. Bet she's wishing right now she bought a bigger snowblower. Heading up to the arterial. I gotta get on a main road here before somebody hits me. Sorry about the camera. Well, no one's getting out of that street anytime soon. Almost out of gas. I think I have one line of fuel left. Yikes.
I'll tell you about pain. Sadness, so deep you can't breathe. Anger, you ain't seen shit yet. Hatred, this is the worst kind.
There's the MHB up there. Now I'm heading east on the arterial. 4455. Green lights. Pretty dangerous driving. Nobody can see over the snowbanks. People pulling out in front of each other. Really dangerous. But I need my glasses because I can't see. I can't see, damn it. What you doing, lady? About to hit 5,000 miles. Why is everybody driving in the center lane? sigh. Thanks, asshole. Name of this band is Windigo Psychosis. They're from out in Phoenix, Arizona. The lead singer was the guy I grew up with. His name is Matt Strangways. And I think they've since disbanded. And they go under a new name now. Except their name. Greenhaven, I think, is the name of the band now. You can find them on YouTube. Matt Strangways. Grew up with him. He was one of my friends in school. And this is them. I think this is their one demo tape. So Matt, if you're out there, thinking about you today. Hope you're good out there in Phoenix. Here's a little taste of New York. I'm almost at my destination, so hope everybody had a thrilling time watching my drive. And if you're thinking about moving to New York State, this is what you get in the wintertime. All right. Take care. Ooh, have a good. Over and out.